have been testing out Sony's products since the last decade and a half. The journey has been full of highs and lows, but now I would say it is a high for Sony, especially when it comes to audio headsets. Yes, I'm talking about this one that is around my neck. Hi guys, this is Sulabh from Gadget Bridge and these are the Sony WH-1000X M3. We've got them over for a review. Let's go ahead and check them out.
Alright guys, before we go ahead, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you see our videos first.
The headphones that Sony launched in the last few years have been similar to each other in terms of form factor. And at the first glance, the Sony WH-1000X M3 headphones look no different. But when you look at them closely, this one is quite different from the others. To start with, this headphone has only two buttons on it, one to power it on and the other to manage the noise cancellation. So how does one use the other functions like volume up, down, etc.? Well, that is where the new innovation on these headphones come in. The right ear cup is touch sensitive and users can use touch gestures to manage most of its functions. For example, one can swipe from front to back or back to front to skip tracks. Swipe from bottom to top or top to bottom to manage volume. Double tap on the ear cup to play or pause a song or to pick a call. And on most occasions, this works really well. It is just a matter of getting used to. These headphones are also available in two colors, black and silver. The silver ones came to us for the test. As for the whole form factor, Sony has used premium plastics, metal and a comfortable foam pad all around the headphones. The ear cups cocoon your ears perfectly and help to keep the ambient noise out. In case one wants to use these headphones with the auxiliary port, they can with the supplied audio cable that comes in the box. In the box, I also found a nifty carry case, an airplane connector, and since it is wireless, a USB charging cable as well. Now let's move on to the fun part, the listening experience. Sony WH-1000X M3 headphones are very easy to set up. Just download the Sony Headphones app from the Play Store, turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone, and in a matter of minutes, you will be up and running. The Bluetooth headphones work with smartphones, laptops, as well as other mobile devices. Connecting them with a laptop is also child's play. The headphones app is nicely built and features things like an equalizer and virtual surround sound function. These come handy when you are listening to different genres of music or are watching a movie on the smart device. Now for the resonance, Sony has done a fabulous job. I love the beats it threw at us, bass is spunky and the lows are clearly audible. Noise cancellation works extremely well and there are three kinds of modes on these headphones. One of them is that the headphones will let a bit of ambient sound in, like important announcements at the airport. The ambient sound can also be managed via the app too. These headphones are very smart. They automatically adjust to changing environments. By that I mean the headphones know your surroundings and will adjust the audio mode and sound accordingly. For instance, if you're walking on the road with the headphones on, it will seep in a bit of ambient sound so that you are aware of the surroundings while listening to your favorite tunes and walking. Also, when you're traveling in an airplane, the air hostess comes to you and asks you something, you need not take the headphones off. Instead, just place 4 fingers on the right ear cup and automatically you will be able to hear what the person is saying. Quite neat if you ask us. Overall, I love the audio experience on these headphones. They are comfortable to wear and will not give you any sort of aches, head or neck. With the 40mm drivers inside, the sound does not crack or distort even at full volume. The battery lasts for over 24 hours on a single charge, but does take its fair bit of time to recharge. Sony has enabled fast charging on these headphones as well, where users can get up to 5 hours of playback time with a charge of 30 minutes. But that can only happen if you are using a compatible fast charger. Sadly, the charger is not part of the package. You need to buy it separately. This is the only downer I came across on this device. All in all, Sony, you have outdone yourself, and I for one love these. They are definitely one of the best headphones right now in the premium side of the audio market. If you have the money to spend and are looking for futuristic sound and controls, go for them without a doubt. We give it 4 out of 5 stars. Alright guys, so that was the review of WH-1000X M3 headphones by Sony. If you did like the video, do share it, do subscribe to our channel. Come to our Instagram page as well. We are giving away a mobile phone there. This is Sulabh signing off for Gadget Bridge. I'll see you next time.